Ka Inspectorate of Electricity haringkat ka jingtray lang bat ka state designated on energy conservation ha ka singibaar ka Pynlong ya ka workshop halor ka jing penne pensa ya ka boarding na ka benda ki karkhanarit ki bang bat ki hotel bedon hapo ka ni jala ha ka ni ka workshop ka balong shalong club layo jingkran no ba pike sulat ubalong usinia electrical inspector ubalapin i ya ka jingdom kam ya ka boarding bat mat penne pensa ya ka jinglot kesanru ya ka boarding ha ka ni ka workshop lapin sotho benya ya ki nong sim benta kum ban penne pensa ya ka boarding da ki energy specialist ki balawan Kerpang Nadu Kolkata.
Energy conservation is the theme. We talk about energy conservation. Today we have gone one step ahead. We talk about smart cities, smart towns. Even Meghalaya has already started to declare Shillong as a smart city. So things have gone very fast. But we still live in the old ages. In the age of Thomas Edison, who invented electric bulbs, the incandescent bulb. You know, these bulbs are having filaments. It has a resistance inside. So some amount of energy is used for heating that filament, and that emits your electricity. In today's world, had Thomas Edison been alive, he would have thought what a miracle has happened. Today we talk of compact fluorescent lamps. We talk one step ahead on LEDs. Today is the age of LEDs. We need to update ourselves with the technology. Today's kids are more smart. We talk about smart kids, smart cities, smart teachers, smart businessmen. So, you as a businessman, you have to become smart. If you want to become smart, then you have to use the smart gadgets. When you plan out as an industrial worker, as a shopkeeper, you design your lighting system.